No end in sight for the political tussle in Rajasthan. Just yesterday, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot called for a cabinet meeting over holding an assembly session. In fact, it went on for about 2 hours. Gehlot remained firm on his demand to call the House and said that he won't back down on his demands there. After the Raj Bhavan strike, Gehlot proclaimed, saying that he will continue to protest until the governor calls the House. Rajasthan Congress stepped up the ante, will hold demonstrations in district headquarters today against the BJP's alleged conspiracy to bring down the Gehlot government. Here is Ashok Gehlot there, threatening to go on strike until the governor gives out a proper date for the assembly session. Remember, the governor has been hesitant considering the COVID-19 surge across the country, Rajasthan also being no different amid the pandemic. Will the governor say yes to an assembly session is a question, but Gehlot says he won't back off until a date is given. We have Dev Ankur joining us for more details on this live. Dev, take us through what the plan of action for Ashok Gehlot is today. We understand that he's going to carry out protests in several districts of Rajasthan, opposing the governor and the BJP's arm twisting and alleged conspiracy to collapse the Gehlot government. His demand, give us a date for an assembly session.
Well, clearly at this point in time, the Rajasthan government maintains that the action by the Rajasthan governor Kalraj Mishra has been an arbitrary one. The Rajasthan government maintains that this is very normal, for the Rajasthan government to ask and for the governor to comply, to order for an assembly session to be called for. But in this case, the Gehlot government claims that the governor Kalraj Mishra is acting under pressure from the central government, not allowing the assembly session to be conducted. Gehlot claims that he has the majority and he wants to prove the numbers on the floor of the House, but is not being allowed to do so by the BJP. In all districts of Rajasthan, protests have been planned today at 11 this morning against this allegedly arbitrary act of the governor. Yesterday also we witnessed that there were prolonged protests in Jaipur by the MLAs of the Congress. The Congress MLAs were shouting slogans inside the Raj Bhavan where the governor stays, and also the BJP demanded that CRPF should be deployed at the governor house because it claimed that the police cannot handle this situation because it comes directly under the the purview of the state government and the Home Minister, which in this case is Ashok Gehlot himself.
Right, Dev, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. We know Rajasthan politics there getting murkier. Ashok Gehlot threatening to go on district-wide protest across the state, condemning the governor's not responding to his plea. In fact, the political stalemate in Rajasthan continues. A day after Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot met with Governor Kalraj Mishra, the face-off between the two has now escalated. In a letter, Rajasthan governor lashed out at the Chief Minister Gehlot and his MLAs for sitting on dharna outside the Raj Bhavan. MLAs were demanding for an assembly session to be convened. Governor said that the constitutional crisis has been made political by Gehlot and his MLAs. In fact, in a statement, the governor has also said that the cabinet note given by Gehlot does not mention a date for assembly session and that there is no reason given for an assembly session at a short notice as well. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi slammed the BJP over political crisis. He said that BJP's attempts to topple the Gehlot government is an insult to people of Rajasthan. He also urged the governor to call for an assembly session as soon as possible.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.